Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
All right. We're making us some teriyaki grilled spare ribs. These are the ingredients: some garlic salt, some onion powder. I got some red pepper flakes with some black pepper and some Asian 5-spice seasoning. The very first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna mix up this seasoning. Take all of your seasoned ingredients. You can add it to a container, to a bottle shaker, whatever. This is the first stage. And I'm telling you, y'all, this got some killer Asian flair. Now, since we got all of our ingredients together, let's shake up everything to make sure we can incorporate all of our seasonings. So what you're gonna do now is wash up, clean up your meat, and also if you're using this, like I got a spare rib, rack of spare ribs, I'm pulling off that membrane. Now I'm seasoning up this here meat on the bony side, and I'm also seasoning this meat up on the meaty side. Try this seasoning, I'm guaranteeing you guys will like it. Now for my teriyaki sauce, I got me some ginger, some jalapeno peppers, and an onion cut up. And if you want, you could also use minced garlic with this here recipe. Jazz it up any way you see fit. So I got me some teriyaki sauce that I'm gonna put into this here container. And then with this here sauce, as you can see, it's pretty thick. I'm just gonna take me some water, and I wanna thin out this here sauce. You can definitely use any type of teriyaki sauce you like. Build your own teriyaki recipe. Just try it on these ribs. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. So I'm putting in everything: the onions, the jalapenos, and also this onion that I cut up in slices. So I'm just gonna mix this here up the best way I can. Then after that, I'm gonna set this right on the grill. Let that heat cook into this here sauce, so get those vegetables and everything together. You feel what I'm talking about. So I took the spare ribs and I'm placing them on the grill, and I got me a little extra treat right there too to dip into that sauce. So this is how your sauce looks, and you can imagine all the flavors coming together with those vegetables. So I let this here spare rib stay on the grill for at least around about 3 minutes or so. So after that, I never wrapped this meat with no foil or nothing like that. I just took the sauce and I basted this after 3 hours at the temperature I set on the Z-Grill for 250 degrees. I took the sauce and I basted it for at least every 30 minutes after 3 hours. And this is what we come up with: teriyaki spare ribs. Man, I'm telling you, these ribs was off the hook. They was off the chain, and they were good too. Seriously. You could bottle up this sauce, man, and this sauce will keep for a good 2 to 3 months in the refrigerator. Good God Almighty. Them ribs were delicious indeed. I'm telling you. I'm not saying this just to be saying it, but those ribs were delicious. Come on and take a bite with me. Hey, this is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to subscribe to this channel if you're not a Raymac family member. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also leave a comment in the comment section. And also share this with your family and your friends on social media. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out Raymac's Kitchen and Grill. I always say this at the end of my videos: love and not hate.